Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to the JCB Plaza Lounge using my East West the Platinum card. JCB, yeah. East West JCB Platinum. So yeah. Okay, so nakapasok na ako. Yeah. Okay, so dyan ako pumasok kanina. And then, yeah, may pa-coffee sila. Kaso hindi ko naman maintindihan dahil puro Japanese. Pero, Google Translate ko lang ako. And then, this is the... I don't know what is this thing. So, yeah. Hi. So, yeah, that's me. I don't know what is this. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, tinotour ko kayo sa dito sa JCB Plaza Lounge, dito sa Honolulu, Hawaii. So kung magtataka man kayo kung bakit hindi ako nag-English, kasi syempre this is a Philippine credit card. So ang ginamit ko kasi is yung aking East West JCB Platinum. So this is my new credit card with East West JCB. And then, ito kasi yung dati kong meron kasi yung gold dati. Pero, kusa sila nag-upgrade into platinum. Tapos, ayun, nag-credit limit increase. So, that was really good as well. So, ayun. Ayan siya. Yan yung patunay. So, yun lang.